So today, guys, we decided to come to the Piggy Zoo with this little family of mine over here. Someone is super excited. What are you saying? Where's the chicken?
Chicken, come here.
That's not chicken. You're always excited. Madam. Hmm? Where are they?
It's right there. Right there. Right there in the bush.
Yeah, we're going right there. Milan, what did you come to see?
Can we ride the camera?
Oh my God. I had not even seen it.
I need to ride it. I want to a hee-haw.
You want a hee-haw?
Yeah. I want to ride the camera.
You guys.
Dad, you play it?
Yes.
Dad, can we ride the camera? The camera.
I think it's extra charge.
And the horse.
Your mama said not to take
Seriously?
Na kunanuka mafi.
There's a horse there and the camel there. What do you expect?
The mafi is not carrying. Hmm? What is that? Ooh, this is so nice. Aww. Milan, it's gonna bite you. Wow, you're not scared. We need they can give you something to feed. Hi, little princess. She looks so pretty. You need to buy it's 5 dirhams, I think. Aww. Baby, come, let's go and see that one. Come, I show you something else.
He's so cute, Lama.
Come. We are coming back. What is this? Let me show you. Oh, see this one.
So
Hello, Mr. Monkey.
Hi, monkey.
He's upset.
What?
Why are you upset?
Hello. What? It's a monkey. What are you doing?
Oh, this is a more.
Oh. Okay. There's almost sleeping here.
You guys, the car is gonna.
I love cows, but I'm scared.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Milan, come and see this one, the bull.
Is that a midget?
I don't know.
Why is this so small? It's fat and small.
Come. I want to see the princess back again.
Oh, there's raccoons over there. Why?
Mwah. Okay, so we're gonna feed them, but do not finish the food that you're going to feed them, okay?
Lifted his head up.
Okay, so Milan, come, daddy will give you something to feed it. Lakini usiwapatie zote, tuko na vitu mingi za kufeed. Umpatie moja ama mbili.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Milan, this is so cute. Shanifa, move. Oh, the big one is coming. Milan, you need to
Go
feed.
closer. Go a bit closer. Are you scared? No, don't throw.
Don't throw. You're supposed to feed it.
Don't be scared.
Shan, you give it all?
Yeah. Give me that. It ate it.
No. Milan, we need to feed something else.
You're gonna eat all of it.
It's very soft fur.
Yeah, I know. Especially this one.
Go closer.
Why you doing that?
Msimalize, we need to feed something else.
Yeah. No, that cow I'm scared of it.
Milan, tell me, what did you do? Huh?
Let's go feed the cow.
Come, let's see if the cow will eat.
I'm scared of this cow. It lifted its head at me, trying to hit me. I want some.
Milan, come.
Come feed the cow, Milan.
Feed the cow. Yeah.
It ate everything.
Feed the cow.
Unazimaliza.
No, go
slowly
feed the cow. Go closer.
Slowly. Just stretch your hand like that.
Milan. Okay, let's go feed something else. Come, let's walk, Milan. We're walking. Let's go and see something else. You imejificha, twende. Oh, come and see another princess here. Come and see this goat. Hi. Come see this one. Itamuma mkono hii. Bring something, Baba Milan. Milan, you wanna feed this one? Oh my God, there are so many.
Yeah, I know. So ugly. Dad, send something.
We have a cow from Ukambani.
Why does this one have so long?
Where's the cow?
A cow from Ukambani. Come, let me show you a cow from Ukambani.
What type of goat is this?
Short cow.
Akishot kawe kuanda. Hey, this is a bull.
Ukambani bull.
This is a bull.
Ukambani bull. Come.
You guys, mnakaa mahali pamoja, my video will be long. Sisi tutarudi afanyesha maliza kushoot.
Show see a goat. See goat.
Come feed the goat.
Okay.
Oh my patiana. Look, we still have to go around. There's so many things.
What type of goat is that? It got rabbit ears.
Sorry, Shan. What?
That goat has rabbit ears. It has long ass ears.
Okay, Milan, we are going to feed something else. Come, let's go this way.
Yeah.
Let's go this way. Huku tutarudi. First we need to.
Oh my God. It's so much. I can't feed this.
Milan, it's too much.
Yeah.
Okay, come here. What is this? Hee haw, hee haw, hee haw, hee haw. Oh, it's so cute.
It's an albino donkey.
Aww.
Hey, not eat the big one. Oh my God.
Get closer.
Milan, come and feed them.
Get closer. Come closer. Come closer.
What happened?
I don't want to eat my hand.
This is a horse.
Yeah. It's a donkey.
It's a donkey, sorry.
Give the small one. You didn't give it.
Give the small one.
The small
Okay,
one
go
didn't
bring
get it.
another one. Milan, give the small one.
Give the small one.
The big one is eating everything.
Yeah.
Let me bring it this way.
Okay. Give this one. This one did it.
Okay, now guys, let's move to the next one. Ooh, these are the cows. It's a small.
Another Ukambani cow.
This is a
I've never
moo.
seen a short.
Even me, it's the first time that I'm seeing a short one. We don't have.
I have seen that one. The shortest one. It's a big one.
No, it's really short.
At first I thought it was a bull sleeping, but it's not.
Okay, so what else do we have? Baba Milan, you really need to go and bring more food. Now, you guys stop overfeeding them. What is that?
What is that? Dogs.
Baby. We need tissue. What did you do? Wait, we need tissue. Mtoe kiatu upanguzie hapa. Hapo kuna maji. Remove your shoe. Mtoe pole. Accident.
Shall come hold his hand.
Okay.
Sisi umeingiza mguu. Imeingia ndani?
No. Step here.
Usioshe ndani, labda ni ya kuosha mikono.
There's something over there. I saw something peeking out. But I've seen dogs. Dogs!
Yeah, they need to give us a dog.
What is that? Is that how ships in Dubai sound like?
No, that's
What did you say?
Is that how sheep in Dubai sound like? Because that doesn't sound like a sheep.
that's a peacock.
You sure? But because I thought that sheep sound like that. It's a sheep.
There's a sheep?
You saw peacock in jail.
I think the sheep is sick. The sheep is sick. I can't see that guy. No, but what is that thing?
Milan, which dog do you want?
That one.
Which
I
one?
want that one.
No, the white ones are always cute.
That one.
Oh,
I want that one.
this one is upset.
Why?
I don't know. What did you do to it? Ask him his name.
Why? What happened?
What do we have here?
Cats.
Ah, okay. I'm scared. I thought we don't have snakes here, right?
I think I've been talking to Shaija.
We have a big one.
Nothing?
There is?
So we don't have.
Yeah, we don't have.
Before, where were they?
Where?
Okay.
Page 13.
Thank God I'm not going there. Just in case. It's not there? Whew. Hallelujah. Hey, because if they're snakes, I don't want to meet them.
I love this type of cats.
Oh my God, this one is cute. Cindy, your cat is here.
Oh my God, they're so friendly.
Let me see this one. Milan, what happened?
What? Mom, something is falling down. I know. Such a cutie boy. I got to stop the cat is gonna scam me.
Okay, so guys, enough. Let's move.
No.
Second.
I'll cut a lot.
Mila, let's go. Let's go.
Don't touch Milan. This one, it will spike you.
No, it won't.
Don't put your fingers in it.
Yeah, because it will.
It's gonna put back in the back.
Okay, now guys, let's move on.
That's gonna. Why won't they push?
What is this?
What is this? Is it a fox?
Do not touch the cage.
He's so pretty. Oh, there's two. They're huge.
Very huge ones.
Are these aquatic turtles or what?
Baby, don't touch.
Why? John.
Okay, this way, my friends. Let's go. Nini? Baba Milan, kama kuna nyoka niambie tu nisiende hapo, please.
Unaogopa ya bibi?
No, it's rabbits here. It's not because we got long legs.
Guys, I just saw they're looking at a snake, and I don't know. I'm super scared of snakes, so I cannot go there. No, I can't come there. I'm sorry. No, you and your pretty, and you better not share that thing with me. No, Shan, I'll block you. I swear, I'll block you. No, don't, please. Come on, don't. I'll block you. No, I don't want. Enough is enough. I'm not going there again. No, I don't want. Jeez, that thing is. Hey, Baba Milan, surely. No, me, I'm done with everything. I don't want. Son? What happened? You guys, you joke a lot. You guys, colors done. Let's go.
I told you can't touch this. It's gonna bite you.
What is this flying something?
A small one. What? But they don't put names. Why?
That Milan.
The crocodile. Oh, no. Yeah, what the hell? What? What are you saying? No, raccoon. Raccoons don't do like that. Yeah, you see that? Come.
You said what? You cannot touch that?
Yeah.
Can you touch this?
No,
Why?
it's locked.
Can you touch it? Can you put your fingers?
No.
To bite you.
Yeah?
It's gonna bite me. I'm gonna cry.
Okay.
It will do what?
It's gonna bite me.
And then once it bites you, you will cry.
Yeah. You can bite.
You saw it? A crocodile?
Yeah. Bunny's
Yeah.
here. I wanna see the snake.
No, we are not seeing any more snakes.
An owl. Owl. What is owl?
Oh, they're so cute. These are owls.
Owls.
What is this?
It's owls.
Huh? A what? Ah,
It's an eagle.
Oh.
Wow. Show off.
It's an
Yeah. They like to show off a lot.
ooh, I love this princess.
Parrot, what you do?
My parrot.
Are you?
Hi, talk to it.
Hey.
It has a ring and a bracelet.
Hello.
Why-
Hello. Hello.
It's running away.
Hello. Sean. Hello. Sean. I think it's chicken. That's not chicken. Why in this parrot talking?
This one's there sleeping.
There are more here, Villa. Come see the parrots.
Yeah, that's two parrots.
See?
Sean.
A lot of them.
Sean, come here. Oh, these are parakeets. They can't bite my hair.
Ah, Shindwe. What help?
Hello, Baba.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Milan, Milan, you want to take a photo with it? No, it will come here. He will put it here on your.
I don't think it's too. His hands, that's too.
Okay, let's take that one.
Go up.
No, he's gonna put it on your shoulder. On your. Okay, put it on Shan.
I don't know.
Ooh, Shan, look at me. Shan, look at me.
Hello. I want that one. I want that one. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Hello.
Why?
Hi.
Does she wanna say anything? Oh, Milan.
Biting me.
Ooh, baby. Shanifa, go.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop it,
Don't
baby.
drop it.
Ah.
John, look at this. John, look at this. John, look.
Ah, it's so cute. You're happy?
Don't drop it.
Okay.
Don't drop it.
Ask.
Nice? Yeah. We did a task. Oh, it's gonna bite me.
She's so cute.
Yeah.
You want the big one?
You cannot hold the big one.
I'll hold it.
This big one tried to bite my hand. Oh, it's kind of flat. It's kind of flat. Hello.
You're the big one.
Hello, pretty.
They're so nice. They're so
Don't
cute.
So nice, but he tried to bite me.
Okay. I will hold your hand.
I still win.
Okay. I will hold your hand.
It's okay.
No, hold it, Milan. Hold it. Hold it one
Don't be
time.
scared.
Daddy is holding you.
I'm holding you.
Yay!
Oh.
No, no, no. Hold it. No, it will not do anything. Okay.
Sorry. No, but you're afraid.
You're scared. Let's go.
Ah, you're not scared. Are you sure? See, there's this one. Take this one. Hold this one. Hold this one. See? Wow, this one is so cute.
No, I will hold your hand.
I will hold. See. Yella, hold it. Wow, this is so cute. Wow. Sean, look.
Oh my god.
You're happy?
Yeah.
You're not scared?
Yeah. You're not scared? Is it nice? Yeah. Why? Oh my god. Is that a oh my god?
No.
No, that's not food, man.
Some cages here.
What are those cages for?
Doves! White pigeons!
Don't go there, Shan. Acha kunikaribia.
Is there anything on this side? No.
I think that's
There's something that I saw fighting over there. I want to go see what it is. What's here? It's a garbage dump.
Oh, no.
It's a monkey.
It's these monkeys.
He's gonna attack you. Are you mean?
Oh my god, this is so big.
What?
It's carrying another one.
Oh yeah. It's a mother. His mom. I don't know what that.
And the bum bum is red.
Yeah, look at this one. Look at this one.
Hey, what is this? It has red onions.
Oh yeah, onion.
What is that? No, like it's a big thing.
I don't know what they're called.
Koala.
Koala.
Which one is that? No, there is one that is called koala. I will look for it. I will check.
Koala.
It's called koala.
Koala. I think these are the red something.
Don't put your hands inside, yeah? Don't put your hands inside, yeah?
What pee-pee? Ew. It's a wood. So cute. Hi. I will feed.
Hi, Wolfie.
I'm not fat.
Villain, you are so.
This is dog food. No, it's not dog food. The wolf. The wolf is dog.
Yeah, good
Let's go ride the camels. I wonder what the camels for. Whoa!
Okay, now guys, let's move to the next one.
Wait, what? Let's go ride the camel. This one is angry. Agitated. Let's go and ride the camel. Camel, camel, camel. Hey, my shoes keep on tightening.
I don't know even how to tie your shoes.
I don't. Yeah. Come on.
You. Guys. These people wanted me to go and see a snake. Yo, I don't do snakes.
What is it gonna do to you? It's in a cage.
No, I can't see snakes.
Shan
I
took
have
a video and she's gonna send it to
No,
you
I
on
can't.
WhatsApp.
I'm gonna block her.
Why?
I will block her.
You're gonna block all of us because
Yes.
I also took a video. I'm
No,
gonna
I'll
send it
block
to you.
all of you. And then after it's over, I'll unblock you guys.
Okay, we're going
Milan,
to
you
see a
want to go
camel
to the-
now. Oh, it too. First we see a chicken. Look at this creativity.
Why are you laughing like that? No, stop touching. The chicken will come and என்னது புலி புலி கோழி எப்படி கூப்பிடும் பாப்பா பாப்பா கோழி எப்படி கூப்பிடும் எப்படி எப்படி கூப்பிடும் அது நம்ம ஊர் பாப்பா தான சொத்த போட்டு போவா இது பங்களாதேஷ் போட்டு நம்மட்டே இருக்கு அப்படி கோழி
Come here, come.
You wanna go and give it a try? Can we ride the camel?
Umtoe kofia.
Milan.
Huh? No, put it off. It's fine. It's fine up like that.
Come closer.
No. It's gonna bite my hair.
Yes.
It has rough skin.
See, Sean is closer. See? Go closer.
Skin is so rough.
Go touch it.
So don't.
Hello.
Okay, let's go and see the smaller one then. If you guys don't want anything about it.
Can we ride it?
Milan, you wanna ride this one?
That's a pony.
Put Milan to ride it.
Milan, do you want to ride this one?
It's
Ah, it's
gonna
bad.
bite me. I'm gonna fall down. It's gonna bite me. There's a horse. Sean, the horse there. This one is also a horse.
It's a pony.
Put Milan to ride this.
I will not.
Then put me to ride the horse. I wanna ride the horse. How much is it?
What are you telling the horse? Go closer.
No, it's gonna bite me.
No, it's not.
It's gonna hurt me. Can we go say hi to the horse? No. You cannot. What? Don't bite me, horse.
Touch it. No, it's not gonna bite you. Touch it.
You don't bite me, horsey.
No.
I'm going to bite you. Oh, so cute.
Yeah. Go closer.
It's so cute. Wait, what is that? I think it's a boom boom.
It's a tail.
It's a tail. Let's go pay for it. I can come right there. Thank you.
Let's go in.
Son, how come this hurts me? It's not biting me.
So cute.
Flamingo.
A kangaroo. Milan, what's that?
Sean, come here! Sean, come here! Look at this! Look at this!
What is that? A peacock. Okay, let's go on the other side then.
I got the hardest in my house. Let's go. Where's Daddy?
Did you just speak Kamba?
Yeah, I said Mavata. I want to toss it. You cannot touch it. These ones, they stay far.
WA Business Audio.
Lazarus walking. Yes.
The what? We are going there.
The what now? What?
Ooh, look at this one. The ostrich. It's so big.
Oh, this is what I was
No, 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 no.
Maggie Twinney.
Why are you so ginormous?
It's so big.
But that's not ostrich. What is that? Dad, look at this. It's so huge. Oh my god. You can't touch that. Hello.
That's an emu.
Hi, baby girl.
Emu.
Your neck is so.
Hi, ostrich.
You know ostriches attack when they're threatened. They feel threatened. And why is this cage so small? You can just
Why
jump
the lights
over.
are like this?
Yeah, if you want to come on.
Why the lights are blinking on my phone?
I don't know.
See, on my phone the lights are blinking. Why?
Okay.
Ah, that's. Oh shoot! See what I was doing? I was taking a slow mo. Goat, no.
No, this is not a goat.
What is this?
What is this, Dad?
Whoa!
It sounds like a goat, but it's not a goat. I hate those things. Those things.
Why? Which ones? Let's come and see this one.
Oryx? These are antelopes.
Yeah, it's mixed with something else.
What is this thing? This thing, I hate it. I don't remember the name, but I hate it.
This one?
Yes. It's
A turkey. Ooh!
They used to chase it. You know, back in Miss Helena, they used to teach us when we were going for break. Look at that! John! Yeah? John!
Yo, I'm coming. It's getting upset, huh? You guys are annoying it.
And John! Huh? Okay, I'm coming to see. John, look at that!
Ah, this is a chicken.
John! Hi, chicken. It's on the screen.
Ooh!
Fly. Flying. What is this? Oh my god! Dad! Daddy! Are these mountain goats? Dad!
They look like especially this one, right?
I want to see. Hello. Are you gonna bite me?
And sheeps.
Oh, they're goats.
Goats and sheep mixture.
No.
Now the ostrich is here. Uh-huh.
I am scared of them.
My god, this one looks like as if it wants to poke me. Oh my god, this one looks upset. Hey. Hey, yo. Milan, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming. I'm sorry, bro. Milan.
Wrong, this is the male. No. Oh, it's not no Pack's back. It's not no Pack's back. Okay. Bite him. Bite. Bite him. Dad, bite Daddy. He wants to bite.
Come bite me.
No. Ella. It's removing its feathers.
My goodness. Hey, stop it.
Are you
Oh, stop it. Why?
Why are you eating your feathers?
Stop it.
Why are we asking as if it's you can talk?
Aywa. Aywa. Yella.
Put your
Go.
feet up.
Go. Put your feet here up.
Put your feet here.
Okay, push it harder.
Yeah. No, you have to ride it.
You normally get scared.
Hey, chicken.
So guys, if you decide to come here, just know that this place is super cold, super cold at night. So you cannot just come like that. You have to have something like a sweater or something.
Sean, ride it. Sean, ride it.
Okay.
Sean is riding the horse.
I want to ride it. Yeah.